Hi guys, it's Neisha. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a camera review of my 4K digital vlogging camera. So this camera, it doesn't come with all of this. I added these attachments onto it. So I'm gonna go ahead and break this down and get into just the camera. This was $6 from Walmart. I'll link it down below. Maybe like 7 or 8. This was $10 from Amazon. I'll also link it down below. Alright, so this is our vlogging camera. So this is the 4K digital camera for YouTube autofocus with 32GB SD card, 180 flip screen, 16 times digital zoom, 48 MP video camera camcorder for photography. So this camera came with an extra battery, so it came with 2 batteries, a battery charger, the camera strap, a bag, and a 32GB SD card. The 4K digital camera features a 180-degree flip screen, 16 times digital zoom, and 48 MP image resolution. It supports autofocus, has a built-in flash, and includes a 32GB SD card. The camera can also be used for vlogging, photography, and as a webcam. It has HDMI output pause function and supports external microphones and tripods. The camera also features continuous shooting, time-lapse, and slow motion functions. It comes with a rechargeable battery, charging stand, and accessories. The camera is suitable for indoor and outdoor use, and its specifications include 4K, 30 video resolution, and various image resolutions. Fashion digital camera for beginners, teens, students is full-featured and easy to operate. The 4K photo and video camera make everyone use it easily in home life, social, software, travel, or photography. Also, this small camera is ideal for any occasion. The accessories that I have that came with it is a microphone, the tripod, and a car stand. Modes and features I've tried. So it has autofocus, flashlight, anti-shake, cautious shooting, slow motion record, time lapse, a self timer, beauty face filter, face detect, smile camera filter. Video resolution is 4K with 30 FPS, 2.7 30 FPS, 1080p 60 FPS, 720p 120 FPS. Image resolution includes a memory card of 32GB standard memory card with a max up to 128 gigabytes. The digital zoom, which supports autofocus, is 16 times the digital zoom. Operating system operates on Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 11. Built-in features are a built-in timer, built-in microphone, economical design, LCD display, very lightweight, portable, smart technology, and has Wi-Fi capability. The brand is ACTITOP. Number of megapixels, 48 MP. Camera lens type is a macro lens. Digital resolution, 3840, 2160 MP. Inputs and outputs, it has a USB 2.0 and an HDMI port. Digital camera type is a DSLR cameras. Lens diameter is 67 millimeters. So let's talk about the look and the feel of the camera. The camera has a compact and stylish design, perfect for vlogging on the go. One of the best features is the 180 zoom flip screen, which makes filming myself much easier. The camera also supports autofocus and has a built-in flash, making it great for both indoor and outdoor use. Plus, it comes with a 32GB SD card, so you're set to start filming right away. Now let's dive into some of the key features that makes the camera stand out. It has 4K video resolution for ultra clear videos, 48MP image resolution for crisp, high quality photos, 16 times zoom with autofocus, built-in microphone and external mic support for clear audio, HDMI output and USB 2.0 for easy connectivity, time-lapse, slow motion, continuous shooting, and more. It's also great as a webcam and supports Wi-Fi, which is a huge plus. Over the past year, this camera has been an absolute workhorse. I've used it for vlogging, taking pictures, and even as a webcam. The autofocus is snappy, and the built-in stabilization helps reduce blur, which is great when filming and walking around. The quality is fantastic, especially for a camera in this price range. Alright, here's some pros and cons after a year of use. Pros are the high quality resolution, the flip screen for vlogging, compact and lightweight, versatile shooting modes, and built-in Wi-Fi and microphone support. Cons: battery life could be better. Low light performance is just okay. Another con is that the quality is not as great as your iPhone camera. So you could just use your iPhone camera. So would I recommend this camera? Absolutely. It's perfect for beginners and anyone looking to step up their content creation without breaking the bank. Whether you're into vlogging, travel videos, or just capturing everyday moments, this camera has you covered. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and content tips. Catch you next time.